somebody needs to be accountable.
Quaynell King's mother believes the justice system failed her son. We found court records that show Tyquan Anderson was put on house arrest with electronic monitoring for robbery and drug charges before the shooting that killed King. Anderson is accused of pulling the trigger.
Sometimes home incarceration is you are just at home, period. And that's not always the only condition. Usually it is also, if it's going to be home incarceration, you may go to court, you can go visit your attorney, you can go to school or work.
Fayette County Commonwealth's attorney Kimberly Baird says the decision on whether to use electronic monitoring or house arrest lies with the judge. And on November 18th, court records show Fayette Circuit Judge Julie Goodman ruled Anderson would no longer be monitored but would remain under house arrest.
Then it becomes, I guess, sort of the honor system in a sense, because if they go somewhere other than those places, when they're not on electronic monitoring, we don't know until they pick up some new charges.
Lexington police say Quaynell King was killed just a few weeks later on December 1st. According to a criminal complaint, witnesses described a vehicle pulling up to King's car outside of an apartment complex and multiple shots being fired. Police say cell phone records place Anderson's phone at the crime scene and leaving immediately after. King's family was in the courtroom as Anderson was arraigned Thursday.
I'm still known from the murder.
King's mother, Diane, says someone should be held accountable for the fact Anderson was walking free at the time of her son's murder.
Because obviously the system's not working effectively, because this man was allowed to be out committing crimes.
A not guilty plea was entered on Anderson's behalf in court Thursday. His bond is set at $1 million. In Lexington, Samantha Valentino, WKYT.